Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this is a new EDC pouch. It's a Nite Ize clip Pock-Its XL utility holster. So let's get this thing open. Use my Open L that I unboxed in my last video. This is a number 7. Cut through that pretty good. So here it is, Nite Ize clip Pock-Its XL, versatile utility holster. There's a clip, belt clip. So it looks like there's a zip tie. Guess I better lock the knife. Cut that pretty good. Oh gee, it's kind of clipped right in here. Jeez, guess I gotta destroy the package to get it. Yeah, securely clips on waistband or belt. Doesn't tell too much. Got a couple pictures, but here it is. Yeah, in the back you got this belt clip, and if you look, it's got a hook underneath so it stays on. It's not going to come off your belt. And there's a sleeve through here, I guess, if you want to run your belt through and carry it horizontal. There's a little pocket back here. Open it up. Oh, you got a little ring and a little plastic S-beaner. That's cool. So you got, what's this? Mildew proof piece and do not eat silicone. So you got a pretty deep pocket right here. A little smaller pocket that just as deep. Got a couple loops. Got a pocket here. Yeah, it's a little bigger than I thought it was. It was a ruler. Let's measure it real quick. So it's 7 inches long by about 4.5 wide. Let me see. You know, that's not too bad. I'm holding it up to my side. I don't think it's any too much bigger than that pen holster I have. But yeah, so nylon hook and loop closure. Got kind of a plastic interior, probably for waterproofness. Yeah, it feels pretty durable. Plastic clip. Hopefully that holds up. But I brought a bunch of stuff out. Figured we could almost probably set it up, see what fits and what doesn't. So I probably won't carry a knife in this. I'll carry the knife in my pocket. But I'd like to be able to carry a multi-tool, flashlight, my little Zippo tape measure, a pry tool, maybe a Sharpie or some pens. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's try a multi-tool. This is a Gerber MP 600. actually disappears in there. I don't know. I don't know if I... Boy, you gotta dig it out. Does this thing have a little lanyard loop on it? I don't think it does. Yeah, it does. So I could do that. I could definitely put a little, maybe a... Yeah. I could just leave that up. Pull it out. Try my Leatherman Rev. That's going to just disappear. But has a pocket clip. This I can carry on my, in my pocket. This actually fits in the fifth pocket of my jeans. It's a little sideways, but that's how I've been carrying it, and it's worked out really good. So I like to carry something with more tools. So let's put that in there. And like I said, I might put a lanyard on here to just a little piece of paracord to pull that out. I guess I can put a bigger flashlight in. I was going to put a i5T, or which I don't have out here anyways. But this is a Wildtac A7. So that fits way down in there. Now I'll never get that out. Dang. Might have to use a clip on this. Yeah, it fits in there. Let's try a little Zippo tape measure in this pocket. Oh, it's tight, but goes in. Let's try one of these Zebra F301s. Fits there. MP301 or M301. Actually, I go like that. Try a Sharpie. If I can get that Zippo over. Put that in there. Now the pens are blocking the part of the hook and loop with the Velcro, so I don't think that's going to work. Let's try just putting a polka pen in here, pocket pen. That's better. I can carry it like that. I can carry the marker down in here. It's not going nowhere. Let's try will this fit behind the light? So go like that. That fits in there. That's not too bad. What's this thing weigh? It's going to be on my... It's not, don't feel too bad. Oh, errors this out. This only goes up to I think 9 ounces. So it's definitely over 9 ounces. Yeah, you could always just put a like No Light S1R baton 2. Clip that on there. Doesn't have to go all the way down. Save a little weight. Could probably put that in there. That fits. Kind of hard to get the Zippo out. So on the side, and that hook, could put a Leatherman Micra. Slip that in there. That way I got a pair of scissors. I don't know. I do want to carry the tape measure. And it fits. So I got a multi-tool, kind of large multi-tool. I got I had a fairly large flashlight. This flashlight, just for reference, is about 4 3/4 inches long by 1 inch wide, so you can definitely fit a large flashlight. Now it doesn't want to go in because you gotta be careful with shoving it in. You don't hit the power buttons. Move some of the stuff out of the way. Now, could theoretically carry pens and pencil in the back. Just like that. Might not be too easily accessed, but what else can we put in here? Maybe in the back, put the Gerber exchange blade EAB. Pretty cool utility knife. That fits. That might bother. Yeah, maybe not. You can definitely fit a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, I thought this would be cool. You know, EDC pouch, carry a flashlight, multi-tool, pry tool, pen, the tape measure, not in my pockets all the time. And this should make it easy to get on and off the belt. If I want to take it off, I can take it off. I can just carry it. Keep it in the truck if I'm going in someplace. I don't want to take everything. But I'll work on this. I'll get it set up the way I want it. And I'll come back, you know, in a different video and show you. But it's pretty cool. I mean, you could clip a little I1R2 little keychain flashlight on here and just stuff it in there. Get rid of the big light. Put a smaller multi-tool in here. and then I could carry a knife. And the only thing I have out here is the open L. This is a number 7, so it'll probably just, you know, it goes down in. Got the little lanyard. So yeah, that's about my entire EDC setup, except for my wallet and Hank. Could shove a Hank back here. But yeah, like I said, I'll work on this. This is a Nite Ize Pock-Its XL. Cost $11.50 on Amazon. Not a bad price. I don't know. You could carry it horizontal. You could get everything secured depending on what you're carrying. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I don't think that's too bad at all. I think it's a little bigger than I thought, but you can definitely fit a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, I keep rambling on and on, but just wanted to show it to you. Thought it'd be fun to see what fit. And like I said, I'll work on it. I'll get it set up the way I want it. And I'll come back and show it to you guys. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and until the next video, bye.